Welcome back to the Level Up series. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace an entire day of shooting. Seriously, no lights, no camera crew, no can we do one more take? Just you, your script, and HeyGen. Now, there are actually 3 ways to create studio quality videos with HeyGen. You can upload a PDF or document, use a prompt, or write a script. In this video, we're going with script to video. Start on the HeyGen homepage. Click Create Video and then select Create in AI Studio. Choose your format here, portrait or landscape, depending on what channel you're planning to share your video on. And now you're in the AI Studio. All you have to do now is type or paste in your script. Or if you don't have a script fully written, you can use our script writer to help. Just tell it what your video is about and it'll generate a script for you, all powered by ChatGPT. After it generates, you can regenerate or continue to refine it yourself to lock it in. Once your script for your voiceover is set, choose an avatar that best represents you or your brand. You can even use your own digital twin, which is a personal avatar if you've already created one. A tip here is that you can save over 100 looks for your digital twin, so you can have different versions of you for every occasion. And if you need help setting one up, we've linked a full walkthrough below. Now let's shape how your avatar sounds and moves. Here you can select your voice. For advanced users, you can choose from across 5 voice engines to help sound like you. Choose your motion engine here. You can choose between Unlimited or Avatar 4. You can also test how the audio sounds. If the delivery feels off, you can fine-tune your pacing, tone, and emphasis with Voice Director. You can also create animations and generate B-roll images and photos directly inside AI Studio. Click here on the AI tab and choose what you want to create. Then type in your prompt and it will generate it right inside of the AI Studio. When everything feels good, click Generate. Here you choose your resolution, choose your format, and then click Submit. That's it. The whole shoot day done. In just minutes, your script becomes a fully produced video. No filming and no reshoots. That's script to video. Now, go try it for yourself at HeyGen.com, and I'll see you on the next level up.